All right, in this video, we are going to be applying the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better foundation. They say plus skincare on it. If you're familiar with IT Cosmetics, all of them are actually or pretty much all their products are basically meant to improve your skin after about 2 weeks is usually what they recommend, this one being one of those items. So this is about I would say medium coverage foundation. It actually says water light. I think that's the consistency of it as well, which I can attest. It is a super thin foundation, so definitely not one that's going to mat up at all on your skin. And you can see as soon as I put it on, it's just very glowy. Still looks like my own skin, but just a little bit more coverage on there. I would say this is suitable for all types. It's not too glowy or too hydrating, where sometimes if you have oily skin, that'll make you too greasy. But love the finish of it. Makes a great base.